All right, what's up traders? A little bit of a calm video here. What I'm actually going to do, I have a couple strategies I use now when trading. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I use Soft4x to backtest, and I'm going to show you exactly my trades, how I'm going to be actually looking at the market, essentially as if things were live. And this is just going to be a one take type thing. I'm not going to go back and obviously like do this over and over so that I get like the best results or whatever. I don't know exactly what kind of results I'm going to get, but I'm going to show you quickly how I am using this backtesting tool. If you guys don't know what Soft4x is, it is a backtesting tool that is run through MetaTrader 4, and we're going to see if we can get some profit. Let's jump into it right now. All right, guys, so I've just loaded up Soft4x, and we're just going to start a new simulation here. And we're going to pick a date, you know, somewhat recent here, August 2019, something like that, right? And let's look at, we want commissions, we want $5, and I'm just going to go through quickly here so you guys can kind of see. We're going to risk 1% per trade. I'm going to put the stop loss at price, and we're going to load up the sessions so that we can see what session, because I want to actually track my sessions here. I want to see the 1 minute, I want to see the 5 minute, I want to see the 1 hour, and I want to see the 4 hour. Those are all the charts I look at. So let's open them all up and let's make the charts look prettier. Perfect. So let's say that that was actually our entry. We were actually able to get in. Jeez. Oh my God. So let's say that we actually were able to get in, and we put our stop right down here. Okay, 1.11. So the stop's going to be below the lows here, and 3.5. So let's say roughly this, and we're going to take 2 trades. So that's 2% risk. Let's jump back down here. And targets would be obviously new highs here, right? So it's obviously going to sweep all that. So let's just play it out. I want to target a little bit higher. Yeah, a little bit higher. Okay, that's pretty good. Say that that's roughly where we want. Close all. So I'm just doing this as a rough estimate. It's not exactly the rules, right? But I'm looking for a rough, you know, 2 to 3 hour type thing for each trade, just so I can get a rough estimate of what the profit would be. So we're just checking out one pair basically, guys, right? So if you check out other pairs, you might get more trades, but EU is basically our best bet. Right? Let's say it's roughly around here, roughly as the stop, buy twice. So the reason I would have entered right here is simply because I was waiting for the retest, or the breakout, guys, the breakout on the 5 minute, and then all I wanted to do was look for the untested level here, right? So the untested level is simply just a quick pullback. So that's why I'm just giving it a rough, you know, I'm not being super picky with this, but this is why I'm able to go back and I'm saying, okay, this is actually how I'm trading, right? So this is how we would actually trade. So let's take that long and let's see how it plays out. And let's just shoot for, where do we want to shoot for? I want to shoot for right here, right there, those highs there. And boom, close. So you guys can see, I think we're only 2 trades in and we're up 8%. That's pretty good. Mind you, you know, we've gone back or whatever, and we've missed 2 trades just barely that also worked. So I'm not counting those. So the win rate is really good here. Mind you, you know, there is a little bit of cheating. Obviously, there's a little bit of cheating always in backtesting, but I'm trying to be as strict as possible to follow my actual rules, right? Let's go to the New York session. I see shorts. I see shorts on the New York session. So I like this one right here. I like that block right there. That's a pretty good one. Let's jump to the 1 minute. So I want to short right there if we come back up real quick. Okay, let's see how it goes. Jesus. Okay, I don't want to take a trade in this. Let's just skip the day. We got some equal highs here, equal lows. Oh God, this will be a great liquidity hunt on either side. Let's just watch how this goes. It looks super crazy once again. So we've seen just the liquidity hunt right now. If we see some bullish action, that'd be great. Right, look at this. I think I've just barely missed it here. Let's go previous bar. So here, I just want to go to the 5 minute and watch this bar by bar. So we've seen the sweep now, and we've broken back up. So now I want to take a long. Slightly counter trend, but we can take a long. I'm happy with it. So what I want to do is just go here, and I'm going to take a long right here. We come back down. Okay, next bar. Go to the 1 minute bar. Oh, there. We'll take a long right there, roughly, okay? Stop loss, the lows, and we'll take 2 longs right there. Okay, perfect. So let's see how this goes. And go. Lovely. And we've hit these highs, and you know, I would have taken profit at those highs, but you know, I'm saying it's rough, right? So let's close that out, close all, because I want to be cheating on both sides. I want to be a little bit wrong and a little bit more right. So it's an average of what I'd be right. So we take our profit right there. That's beautiful. We're now sitting at 13% profit. Now you guys can see I'm not taking many trades. It's been a couple weeks, I think, with EU, and I've taken what, 3 trades, and I've missed 2. But so far we've had all 3 right. So let's just look. You can kind of pull up the actual trades here, and we can see the statistics, right? So we can see when we actually pull it up, we can see, okay, there's 6 trades. So we took 3 with two each, and we can see average profit, we're making 2% each. So 4% per trade on average, right? So let's continue, and let's get a couple more trades in so you guys can kind of see. Hopefully we get a loser, right? Because I honestly, I don't want this to be all winners, because then it looks unrealistic. But I do expect to have 1 or 2 losers. Okay, just swept the lows, break that high, and we're good to take a long. Oh, this would have been a losing trade. Okay, I would have taken a long right here. So what I'm gonna do, I would have taken a long right here, and it would have been stopped out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to go back, and I'm going to take a long with a 1% risk right here, 1.11865. See, I'm trying to be as honest as possible because I know I would have taken a long there. So if I put 2 trades here, and then we go next bar, we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah. So now we've just hunted that again, right? I would have taken a long there for sure. Hunted that again, rallied back up. Maybe even take another long. Following the rules, it looks really weird, so I'm kind of hesitant, but following the rules, would have taken another long there. So what we do here, we break up, close above, go to the 1 minute, and then I want to take a long right there. So it's just long right now. It's going to be a wide stop, so I'm just going to shoot for a very tight take profit as well. So 1.1835. Okay, cool. And I'm only going to shoot for right here because this is such a wide stop. I don't want to go too far. Let's just take our profit right now. Goes all perfect. See if we can get one more trade in here. Freaking long video. Okay, let's just go to the New York session because we've taken that 1 trade there. Oh, look at that, sweeping those lows. I do like the idea of a long here. I do. Sweeping those lows. Let's see if it plays out. Okay, I want to take the long now. Let's just jump back here to see exactly where it broke out. We broke out on this candle, right? So I'm going to take the long right away. And again, I'm going to shoot for a tight take profit because this is a very wide stop once again. 1.12. Zoom out, play. And where do we want to target? We get stopped. I mean, we would have maybe brought it to break even, but that's okay. Let's say that we got stopped. That's okay. We can be wrong sometimes. Okay, let's do another trade. Let me just throw a fib on here. Yeah, I think I'll take a short right there. 1.12285. And I'm going to take half off here because it's a different setup. Okay, half off, close last, and then let the rest run down here. Boom, close all. So finished off with a different setup there than normal. I got a couple different trading strategies that I am running. So this was a good actual setup. I was happy with that one. So let's just look at our final trades, and we can see we took 6 trades. We won 5 of them, lost 1 of them. We ended up getting about 20% profit, so 10R over 6 trades, so that's pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. You know, there's a little bit of cheating here and there. There's a little bit of ambiguity in where we're actually entering, but this is the best way that I think that you can be backtesting and be as perfectly honest as you can. So if you guys like that sort of video, please let me know in the comment section below. If you guys want to see more of this sort of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the like, and I'll see you guys next time.
Listen.